Hey y'all, Ian here from Rain Barrel Parts. I wanted to go over real quick how to assemble your hole saw set. The hole saw set I'm holding here is the one that comes with 3 different sizes. The smallest one being for your spigot, second, or the medium sized one if you want to call it that, is going to be for your hose, and the largest one is going to be for that diverter. Nonetheless, in order to get this functioning, we need to take off this nut here. Once we unscrew that, we'll just go ahead and set that down. Then we're going to go ahead and place this into the hole saw, and you will see that it only sits in there one way, and that's what we want. Make sure it's nice and snug. Take your nut, you're going to push that back on, and you'll see it just slides right back in. You screw it, and you make sure that it's snug. Now it's ready to go in your power drill. Now you're ready to get started with your rain barrel assembly. If you have any questions, concerns, drop in the comment section, shoot us a message. We'll be glad to help you out with your project. We sincerely appreciate you stopping by. Have a good one.